Hey, so if you want to make your screenshots look clean and professional, yeah, editing them inside ShareX is super powerful. You can add text, arrows, highlights, everything you need. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to edit screenshots using ShareX. First, take a screenshot using ShareX or open an existing image from your files. Once your screenshot is ready, open it in the ShareX image editor. This is where all the editing tools are. Now, add text to your screenshot. This is useful for explaining steps or adding notes. To highlight important areas, use arrows, rectangles, or circles. These help guide attention. You can highlight sections or blur sensitive information like emails or personal details. If needed, crop your screenshot to remove unnecessary parts or resize it for sharing. You can always undo changes or adjust elements. Yeah, so don't worry about making mistakes. And finally, save your edited image or upload it instantly to share with others. So yeah, that's how to edit screenshots using ShareX. Once you get used to these tools, your screenshots will look way more clear and professional. If this helped, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.